Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Amazon account. So once you're signed into Amazon account, guys, and you're on Amazon, just simply hover over your name. On the upper right hand side, you'll find accounts and list. And you want to look down for the section that says, you want to look down for the option that says account. Click on the account and you want to look for your payment. Now, you can do it from here by add your preferred method of payment from here by doing this, or let's say you're on the website and you're shopping and you view your cart and you're proceeding through checking out, you'll have the option there to add a method of payment as well, most likely your credit card. No, but this is how you can add it, if you want to add it before. So here you can just simply go to your payment, find your payment in the options here, click on that, and you have all those different payments. So you have add a method of payment. You can simply click it from here, or you can easily add by click add a payment method. And once you click on that, you have the option here to choose what you want to add. So you can add, for example, whatever, right? You can add whatever, but for now we're focusing on add a credit card or debit card. So you want to click on that and click on add. And from here, you just want to go ahead and add the card number, the name on the card, choose your expiration date and the security code, right? The CVV or CVC number, and just simply click and add. Right, you can also choose the option to link your credit card from your bank, so you can just click the drop down and choose if you want to do from one of those let's say account here. So that can be, you can choose from here, so you can link your card as well. But that's how you go ahead and add it. So once you add it, you will have that preferred card will be showing up here as a method of payment, and on your checkout you'll be able to basically use that card to make your purchases. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.